If you haven't played with it yet, LinkedIn has a jobs tool that is super cool and has a bit more bells and whistles than other job search tools online. Sure, you can look on Indeed or Monster, company websites, but LinkedIn's has a little bit extra, a little something special. So today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips on how to use the LinkedIn jobs tool to help you find your next job. First thing is when you click on the job tool, it will let you go to manage your preferences. And one of the things it's going to ask is, do you want to let recruiters know you're searching? There's a little tab you can move back and forth. Yes. I say always yes. Even if you are not looking for a job in this moment, you should put that tool to yes. I am searching, I am looking, and you even get to do some preferences below of yes, I am actively looking, no, but I'm open to offers, no, I'm not actively looking, but I'm open to offers, etc. So you can choose that, but you never know when opportunity is going to strike for a job, and so I think you should always be open to it. Make sure you click that open. And people have a lot of questions on this, like, will other people then know that I'm looking? Will my boss be able to tell? Nope, they don't see it at all. It's just a tool that goes to the recruiter software for LinkedIn to let them know who is open to new positions. So the second thing you need to do is fill out your preferences. Make sure on this page you are filling it out with as much information related towards your search as possible. So fill out any titles you'd be interested in, any types of industries you're willing to work in, what level of position. So if you were looking for internships, only click the internships tab. But if you were interested in part-time jobs and internships, or you're looking at full-time and you do freelance work, put all, right? Click on whatever works for you. This isn't going to limit you in any way. This is literally just figuring out what types of recommendations they should be giving you on the jobs page. So the more information you give them, the easier it's going to be for them to let you know what's available. And one part I really like on this is you can add locations. So let's say you're about to graduate and you're willing to get a job in the city of your college or your hometown. You can put both. Or maybe you've always wanted to move to New York. You can make New York an option, and so it will only give you jobs in those locations. But you can set more than one preference, which is nice because, like on Indeed, you can't do that. So when you start searching jobs on that jobs page, when you click on one, look to the right at people also viewed, and then scroll to the very, very bottom to jobs similar to this. What I have found is that the algorithm takes a while to figure out what jobs are right for you. So sometimes what comes up on that main page might not be all great fits. But once you find one that is a good fit, the similar jobs at the bottom are probably going to be really, really good fits for you as well. Because LinkedIn does a very good job of knowing if they like this job, they're also going to like all of these jobs. So while they still might be figuring it out on your main page, that similar jobs and people also viewed is going to do really well for you. So I mentioned that the jobs tool on LinkedIn has some extra bells and whistles that things like Indeed do not have. This is my favorite one. It will often in the job description have a section that says meet the team, or it will show the recruiter hiring for that position, or both. If it has those, my next tip, reach out to those people. So click on their profiles. Don't just click connect at the bottom. Click on their profile, read their profiles, and then hit connect and add a note saying, hey, saw you work at this company on this team. It's something I'm really interested in and have been looking at the position. I would love to connect. What's going to happen? They're going to connect with you. They're going to go look at your profile and see if you're a good fit for that position. I can't guarantee it'll get you a job, but it will get you one step closer. So it's just nice to be able to have that feature to kind of see, like, do these seem like people I'd want to work with? Do I have anything in common with these people? Let me start building relationships with them now. It's just a great added tool so that it makes you a human to them instead of a piece of paper that applied through an online system. And then similar to tip 4, tip 5 is use that feature of people you're connected to who work at the company. So when you look up a job on LinkedIn, it will tell you how many people from your school work at that company. Or if you worked at a major company before, it'll tell you 5 people from whatever major company you worked at now work at this company. So you're gonna wanna look at those people. Click on those links, see who those people are, and connect with them as well. This is a great way to start building some inside relationships. I would be connecting with them and saying, hey, saw you work at, let's say, Taco Bell, because they're a great company. Saw you work at Taco Bell and went to UC Irvine. I am a current UC Irvine student about to graduate in May. Would love to work at Taco Bell one day. Let's connect. That's it. And then once they've connected, you can go through and ask them for an informational interview so you can hear more about what they do, what their job's like, do they like working at the company, and start building those relationships. Now, this might not help you get the job that is posted today on the website, because this is a little bit of a process, but it will help you get those inside connections so then the next job that comes up, you have some people on the inside to refer you. So I just really love this feature because it will help you start building those relationships for jobs down the line. So I hope these tips have helped you learn a little bit more about that LinkedIn jobs tool and how you can be using it. Now, as I mentioned before, if you connect with people off that tool, the first thing they're going to do is go look at your profile. So you want to make sure it's in great shape. And a major part of that is your headline. So to help with that, I do have a headline creator worksheet, which you can get in the description box below. So click on over there, get that headline in great order. And if you need more LinkedIn tips, they will be in the playlist right here, one of the two. So keep watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.